Hey guys, if you never had a YouTube channel and you wanna make one, or you already have one but want to make a brand new YouTube channel, then stay tuned because this video is for you. In this video I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make a YouTube channel. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, the thing is that you can make a YouTube channel on your previous Google account, but I will suggest you to make a new Google account for a new YouTube channel. So first of all, we'll create a new Google account. For this purpose, we'll open up the Gmail, and here we will click on the profile, and then we'll go add another account. From here we have to select Google, and then you have to put on your password here. After that, you simply have to click on create account. Here you can create an account for yourself or to manage your business. I am creating for myself. First of all, you have to type the first name and then the last name. For example, if I am typing my name, then I click on next. Then you have to put on your date of birth and your gender. After that, you have to click on next. Here you have to put on a unique username for your account that nobody has been used. For example, I am putting. Then you simply have to click on next. Then you have to create a strong password for your account. For example, if I am creating. After creating the password, you simply have to click on next. Then you have to scroll down and you have to click on yes, I am in. Then you have to click on next, and you have to scroll down all the way along and you have to click on I agree. It may take up to a few minutes to create your Google account. After that, your account has been created. Now what you have to do is that you have to create the YouTube channel. So we are going to YouTube, and now we will finish creating our YouTube account. After opening the YouTube, you simply have to click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then you have to select your new account from here. Our new account was this one, and we'll click on the three lines. After opening our account, we simply click on the account and we will click on your channel, and here it will ask you to create a picture for the channel. You can type the name and handle of your channel. After that, you simply have to click on create channel, and then as you guys can see that the YouTube channel has been created. So remember that if you want to change your name at any point, you can still do that. You just want to go to settings and change that. Now you can change the settings of your YouTube channel. So I will tell these settings in another video. Hope you guys like this tutorial. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.